Hey guys, this is your friend Apex Coder here. I made this video to share the graphical user interface, or better known as GUI calculator, that I made. The code is pretty straightforward and can be easily written by a person who has just started learning Python. I've used Tkinter module to write the code. So you can you can see the code, and now I'll run it and show it to you. After run module, then I can do calculations here. 78 then multiplied by 2, which equals to 156. Then I can clear it. Then 52 divided by 2, which equals to 26.0. You can see it replies in a float, which gives you higher accuracy in your answers. Then clear 85.85 multiplied by 2, which equals to 170. So now I'll explain you the code. Root here is taken as the entire screen, and in that I have placed the buttons and widgets. And so you can see everywhere where I have made the text box, I have written root, or in buttons also I have written root, so it knows where it has to be placed on the screen, which is root. I have given background and foreground color also, which makes the buttons look prettier, and I have placed the button in a grid system, which is better than packing stuff in. Then root.main loop signifies that the code has to run again and again, so that it knows that when you click the button and it has to reply. If it does not run again and again, so it will not know when to reply if you click the button. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to Artemis Coder, and hit the bell icon to receive further notification on our upcoming projects. Bye.